will be changing our tires off of my daddy's truck with our other tires. Follow me?
I'm just the muscle.
Alright.
First thing we need to do is we can, so we don't have to walk in and out, grab me a jack stand, and I'll get the jack over here.
Ow! I'm strong. Well, somewhat.
Hold on. A lot of times you can jack it. Ow. Well, okay, once you hook the top, now I can pull it around like that. Alright, so we just need, you want to go get a yellow wheel chopped here and chop the front wheel?
I will, one over here. Let me get it. Now, sweaty? Where do you want me to put it? Where should I put it?
Under the front wheel.
Right on the passenger side?
Yeah, on the front side of the front wheel. Front side. And we're going to put a jack stand
Under there.
under there. That should be good enough. Let's go up a little bit more. See if we can get one more bite. Nope, not quite. Alright, there we go. So the jack leaks down. Alright, now. Alright.
Now we go in here. Follow us into the shop of ours.
Alright, I need our 20mm socket.
And the socket will be right there. No one like it. Look.
Yep.
I need the
Impact.
Big impact.
And you see the tool oil?
The two oil
Right here.
Put it.
Alright, we'll put a couple of drops of,
Can we get our air hose?
yep, couple of drops. Let's go out, just walk out the door. Keep it tight to the door. Keep it going. Keep going. Alright.
Let me come over here and I'll go get a plastic.
We don't need a part string, lay them on the bumper.
Alright.
I got the air hose.
Is it cool?
I got the socket. This stuff is cold.
I know.
Alright.
Cold with it.
Put it reverse, and back her off. There you go. Can't block the camera, baby. Never mind, your mama's already moved. You don't want to take them off too fast, you can gall them. Cause the threads to gall.
Alright.
Alright, so
I'll put those in my pocket.
lay that over here.
I got those in my pocket now. Alright.
I do believe that was Terry, go get me my schrader tool. Let's take the
Shredder tool.
that's called a schrader inside of that, but which
Oh, okay, I forgot.
I want to take the air off of this thing before I even roll it. I don't want to be anywhere near it. You can pause it at any time.
Now we're going to take that off.
You're not catching it while you're holding both hands. Alright, we're just going to take our schrader out.
Take it just a little bit.
Kind of stink.
Yep.
Carry this one so we don't get grass all caught up in it and take it in the shop, because as you can see, it's just, I mean, no, I didn't burn rubber. I was pulling something up my gravel driveway, and it just, the tire just come all to pieces, spinning in the gravel. I knew it would wear some of the tread down, but I didn't know it was just gonna, see right here, just gonna peel it off.
Yeah.
In big chunks.
Well, we can.
Alright, so let's take it in the shop.
Alright, he's strong. Stronger.
So, that's our replacement tire.
That is our replacement tire.
Here, go ahead and let the air out of that one. Right there. Let me get a roll around cart over here out of the way.
How do you get this one on? I've never seen one like that.
Screw it.
Yeah.
Just turn. Take that straighter out. This one's already out. This thing needs to be in the air instead of in the floor. Hello, dear.
What?
We lost the Carter pin out of our. Look at that, dear. I can pull that up. Pull this up. Pull that up. Let this down first. Alright, now, right here, push down on that. Wait a minute, hold on. You gotta get it straight. Right now, push down on that. Want some help?
Sure.
Alright, help Daddy out. Push down. Wait a minute, we gotta raise it up, push it back in. Hold on. Get going. Let me get down here. We gotta make, there we go.
There you go.
Alright, take this off. Take the top off. Pick up.
This is Sadie. How much is it? Good.
There you go.
Lay it right here.
Now we're going to take and put our. Hold on, we got to get that stupid pin in there and stop it from spinning.
Yep. Alright, so this goes how?
Turn that pointy side down. Now. You want to try to get in between. The lugs so you don't mess them up. All right, screw the top now. All right, grab your bar. stick the flat end, the duckbill end, in the slot right here. Walk that way, tighten it up. Push hard. Push, keep going. Push. Get on the end of it, there you go, pull. Alright. Now, I don't have a tool to take that off. I don't have the tool to take that off. So I'm going to try a screwdriver. And a small hammer. Let's see. Where's my little ball peen hammer?
Ball peen hammer.
Here it is. We're going to take and see if we can go under this from the back side. I'm not saving these because the tire store will put theirs on there. Alright, now what do we do? This is okay.
That is a WD-40.
I'm going to spray a little bit of WD-40 on here to help this tire come off. I wouldn't put this on a new tire. Well, look at there. Whole can of WD-40 just. Oh. I wouldn't do this on a new tire because it might cause the tire to mess up. But this tire is junk. This tire is junk. So we don't care about it. Alright. You got to push this down in that void of the rim. You have to push it down. Remember, you have to pick up on it. Alright, so that's stay down. Alright, help me push. Now, we get to do it again. Pull up on the tire, lean it forward, come up. Wait a minute, hold on. There we go. And lean in. You gotta be careful. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Hey. Alright. So now, I'm going to go ahead and take off that other one. It's down here on the bottom. That one actually can be reused. I'm not going to use it. I don't have any way of balancing the tire. Alright, so.
This off?
Yep.
Oh, I need that.
We're going to back this off. While you're doing that, I'll move this box out of our way.
Push this other way.
Push hard.
Push hard.
Step on it. There you go. Alright. This is the tire that goes on the truck. The rim, sorry. So, right there. Alright. Roll the other tire over. Right down here. Okay. So what you should have done is rolled it over here. You dropped it out there and having to drag it. So you got to make sure this, you have to push that back. There we go. Hold on. We need something to hold that up there.
Yeah, let's make like a bracket or something.
Alright, see now, just roll it around. Alright, push down on it.
Look at the other stuff.
You can pause it. Alright, now we're going to take this one off. Same way. Push it down.
Push it down and push that up, and then shoot.
Okay, we gotta make sure this tire is pushed down on this side. Alright.
Now,
Do this again. Pick it up.
pick it up. Okay.
Alright, the tire. There we go. Alright, pull her off. Hey, this one is full of pixie plate.
I'll just lay it down.
Yep. Alright, stop the video. Stop it. Now we got to search for a hole in the tire because somebody put Fix-A-Flat in here for a reason. It could have been because it went low and they needed to get off the side of the road, or it could actually have a hole in it that we need to search for. And we'll do that off camera.
Pause or stop?
Stop.